Hi, hello, how are ya? Chef Kennedy here. As some of you may know, I'm a professional vegan chef with over 10 years of restaurant experience. Today, I'm gonna share my cooking knowledge nuggets to help you level up your meal prep. It's time to prep up your game. These are my 3 steps to prep like a pro. Step 1, create a plan. Create a prep list with 3 to 5 items you'd love to have throughout the week. For me, I usually like to have a soup, some chickpea salad, roasted veg, maybe a grain, and definitely hummus, cause vegan. There's a chef's term called mise en place, which means setting everything in place. The gathering of ingredients and chopping of veg is your mise. Now you can choose to mise your ingredients and then throughout the week just cook what you need, or you can combine your mise with some cooking to go into the week with more sustenance. This is my preferred method personally. Step 2 is to dovetail or cross-utilize your time and ingredients. You want to begin to organize your prep list to optimize your time. Time is precious, baby, don't waste it, okay? Figure out what ingredients can be prepped at the same time. For example, if I'm making soup that requires onions and celery, and I also am making chickpea salad that also needs those ingredients, I'm gonna cut them at the same time and then separate them out when I'm ready to cook. Use inactive cooking time to make other items and clean as you go to avoid a monstrous mess at the end. Nobody wants that. Step 3, FIFO, or first in, first out. Use your oldest ingredients and prepped meals first to avoid food waste. If you know you won't finish a soup, freeze it and then enjoy it at a later date. Get creative with leftovers. Yesterday's chickpea salad can become tomorrow's crab cakes. I know, it's a crazy concept, but well, I hope these tips were helpful for you. Being prepared as a vegan or human in general is so important because we all get hangry. And nobody wants to reach for that sad piece of bologna. I've been there, it's rough. If you'd like the recipes for everything I made today, I'm gonna put them in the description box down below. Well, please don't forget to like and subscribe. From my kitchen to yours, Chef Kennedy, out.